Are we live? We're live. Right, evening all. It feels like we ain't been around for a little while. I hope everyone had a lovely Christmas. I think that was the last time we were. That was the last draw we did, wasn't it? Just before Christmas. Yes, it was. I don't remember. It was just before Christmas. We haven't done anything. Right, okay, so we are here tonight to, well, we've had 3 auto draws before we went live. Stephen Barry got some tickets for the Urban Tiger. Lance Sear got the other little bundle for tickets for the Urban Tiger. And Rhys Fitzgerald Bell from, where the bloody was that? Bicester yeah. Village type area, is it? Is that how you say it? Bicester. Picked up the GoPro. Right, so we'll be live drawing the, which I think is the best one, the Learn How to Wheelie with the Stunt Asylum, which is the UK's only and #1 stunt school clutch up. So if no one knows how to pull a wheelie like a ledge, that is going to be a good competition. We've got our ultimate track pack bundle. So that's pick a track day, get you a nice set of tyres, whether that's for your track bike or for the road, silent generator and tyre warmers, which is what we all need for track. And then we've got, which was born in '94, the Urban Tiger, but as a few people seem to think it, I know the Fireblade was born in '92, but the Urban Tiger was not. So this is up for grabs tonight. And we might as well quickly touch on what else has gone new. Gixxer, classic, arguably one of the most popular sports bikes, 10p a ticket, and we're only doing 1 bundle for this one, so there'll be a little side bundle for that. We are going to have, what else have we got? Oh, we've got the European track day for you and a friend, so head out to wherever you wish. We're going out to Portimao in March for you and a friend, 500 quid in your bin as well. Pick a track out of the No Limits calendar, except Australia. That's probably not going to be ready yet. And the British champion Kyle Ride. So Kyle is back doing another track day for us this year, but this time we're going to go to Brands, which is where the most epic race I think I've ever seen happened, where he beat Mr. Bridewell, and we're going to go there 1-to-1 day at the GP track. So right, should we just crack into it? Yeah. You and me waffling on. Everyone's on live watching to see who's won some stuff. So we know the crack. Anybody who is in the live, throw some numbers out of our way so you can see us live and punching it into the Google generator. Rhys said he can confirm he lives 2 minutes from Bicester Village. I'm getting that right. It is Bicester. I know I'm getting it right. Are we live as I'm just buffering? Right, just before we go into it, can just everyone make sure. What now? Right, Richard and Nev are throwing some numbers. Guys, can you just let us know if you can see us okay? I can see them. Or is it just Mr. Turner is working off of a dial-up internet? You look good.
You look good online, I can see us moving.
Yeah, there's numbers coming in, but just if some couple, yeah, just a few people tell us everything's okay.
If I put a number in, give me a number and we'll see.
Right, Richard, good old Rich, 457.
457.
Nev Otter, 69. Yeah, and please, anyone that's watching, just please tell us that you can see and everything's running okay. Stick it in the comments. Mr. Turner, has it got better yet? I'm a little bit behind on mine. Right, Matty said all good. Gary Grant said it's all good. Lawrence said it's all good. Knocking it out of the park now. So let's all have a whip round because Andrew Turner is on dial-up internet. No fibre or anything in the darkest depths of Norfolk, which is where most of our winners have come from. Right, okay, so have we done a couple of cycles? Let's do another number. Says it's okay. I'm here all week. Right. Right, Alison said number 3. Let's just do one more number and let's crack on. Oh, this is the wheelie, yeah?
Yep.
Right, okay, so let's crack into it. So you know the crack, guys. If we haven't sold all the tickets, we might hit a number that hasn't been won. We're just going to recycle. Okay, so how many tickets did we have for that
I
one?
have no idea.
Oh, should we work out what it was? I will tell you now. Or are you looking, Gareth?
900.
900? Right, so we could hit a few bum numbers here, but as always, we might hit it straight off the bat. Right, here we go. First number, 170. Oh, we did promise that Gareth was supposed to be doing the draw this week, but he hasn't done any training, so Carly is going to continue leading the charge. Here we go. 170. Ew, not sold. Keep going, keep going. Why haven't you been practicing, Gareth? Is what everyone wants to know. Why haven't you been practicing in the background?
Drunk and lazy.
Drunk and lazy. 449. No! No 449. We're going to keep going until we hit a winner.
460.
Here we go. Here we go. I love the sound effects. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. No! Of course, someone was close though.
Yeah.
Oh, Anne Marie.
677.
Kettle is on.
Yeah.
677. Come on.
Yeah.
Yay! Oh, wait a minute. I think says he's on live. Says, is that? Please tell me. Is that Tanner?
677.
It is. Hey, says he's on live as well. Woohoo! Congratulations, says. Clutch up wheelies. Tell us who you're taking in the comments.
We don't have to deliver anything to this one, but
No.
it's from Bexley.
From Bexley Heath, so but that's not far. You haven't got to travel far, nor have we. Says we're going to come and watch you pull some epic wheelies and tell us who you're taking in the comments. Tag them in there. Congratulations, my friend. Love the wheelie one. Love the wheelie one. We'll do that again. We'll do that again. I love that. So, track pack. Full kit. Really can't wait to get back to track. It has been boring, cold, miserable, and get back out to see everyone, which should be crack. Hey, says is in. Right, let's go. So, how many tickets for this one?
I think it was 420, but just
No, not total.
No.
for the pack.
Yep.
Oh, sorry, it's sold. Are we going straight in?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I think so. I think everyone knows we're live now.
499.
Right, let's go. What's the first number? 586 for the track bundle. So here we go. Right, I'm going to say straight off. Quick guess. Straight off? No. Hey! I've only got to call it. I didn't say it. We got one!
Right.
Mark Sexton. Congratulations, Mark. I'll just clap on my own, Gareth. Right, so not only does Gareth not train to do the draw, he doesn't clap when the winners come in. And he doesn't even have a beer on the go. Congratulations, Mark. Right, guys, we'll call the winner for this one. We're not calling. Are we calling the winners for this one?
Oh,
Norwich.
Where?
Norwich.
Mark is another winner from Norwich. That is ridiculous. We need to get on the radio in Norwich.
Yeah.
We're going to be on Essex radio though. Right, so the bad boy. Woohoo!
How many tickets have you had?
How many tickets for this puppy?
2, 4. No.
Right, we're going in, are we?
You ready?
Should we let people throw a couple of numbers in?
Yeah.
As it's the bike. Right, anyone who's watching on the live, throw a couple of numbers in again. Just so no one thinks there's any silly buggers going on. Ah, Mr. Turner, he's in at last. Tethering off next door's internet. Your neighbour's internet speed has just gone down. Norwich massive. Right, here we go. Everyone's ready. Seamus is ready. Right, Alison, 369 for Alison, please. We get one more number in. Anyone?
54.
54, Nev. Right, okay. So, let's go for it. Who is going to take our beautiful urban tiger? Are we going in?
Yeah.
Is this it? Right. 2380. Oh no, look, it's sped up. Here we go. Right, are we calling it? Who's getting straight off the bat? I'm going to go straight away. Quick. No! Who's taking the tiger? What's this? 1971.
Oh, I'll go now. Yeah.
Meh. Right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Call it. Are you going to hit it? Yeah! Oh, he's done it again! Oh my God!
Well, that's it.
Oh my God! He's won 2! Jesus Christ! Is that it?
1971.
Oh my God, congratulations! Jesus wept. That's our first double winner?
Yeah, it's on the same order. I've just saying.
Well, congratulations, Sis.
Well done.
Well done. Right, let's give him a ring.
Yeah.
Seeing as he's on the live as well.
Yeah, let's get your number. Do it online.
No, do it mine, it's okay. Jesus Christ. Oh, Josh is in there as well, close.
There you go.
Thank you.
Well, that's not bad. It gives some in, is it?
Well, that's ridiculous, isn't it? A bike. We can start wheeling the bike. Hello.
Hello, hello.
How are you?
Oh my God, I can't believe it. Are you kidding me?
Oh, you've done it. How the fuck? You've done it twice, so now you can learn how to wheelie on the and then you're going to be popping wheelies on the tiger. Woohoo!
And guess what? I just bought a triumph tiger as well. Now I'm going to have 2 tigers.
2 tigers, and you're going to have to pop wheelies on them. Get in there!
Thank you so much.
There's no, I
This
can't.
is the first time I've joined your competition as well.
And you've done the double.
I've done the double.
Oh my God, that's brilliant news. Excellent. You're going to have to stay with us now, aren't you? And see if you can keep hitting them.
Oh, 100%. This is my lucky competition.
Yes!
Honestly.
Congratulations. Right, so this is going to be going in for an MOT on Tuesday, and then we'll get it straight over to you because you aren't far from us. Where are you? Oh, Bexley Heath. Down the road. Lovely. Congratulations again. Thanks for playing, and you've hit a live double. That's our first one. You're famous.
Oh my God. I'm going to be famous.
Yes. Well, look, listen, I look forward to coming and seeing you. What we'll do is we'll get an email over and we'll drop it in, all the details, and then, Jesus Christ, yeah, a bike and a wheelie school. Well done.
Oh my God. Thank you so much.
All right, take care, sweet. I'll see you in a couple of days. Hey, bye. Well, good God. That's lovely. Excellent. Right, so we're not revealing we're not going to reveal the cool one yet.
No.
Right, so we're going to MCN London XL on the 14th, Valentine's Day. I'm sorry, darling. We'll have a really cool. Well, we've got the Gixxer that we'll take, so you can see it anyway. We'll have 2 other bikes that are going to be going live with us. We'll take them there as well. We've got the one with Carl, the European Track Day. Keep an eye on our socials. I won't bore you any longer. Go back to your families. Enjoy your Sunday evening. And congratulations to this month's winners. And we'll see you in a couple of weeks' time. Yay! Good evening, all. Excelente.